With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that which of the following statements is correct? So in this question, four statements are given. We have to check that which statements are correct here. So in first statement, it is given that the hybridization of chlorine in ClF3 is sp2. Right. So let us check here. We have a formula by which we can check the hybridization of central atom in the compound. So that formula is H is equal to half into V plus M minus C. So here basically V is the number of valence electrons of central atom, M is the number of monovalent atoms attached to the central atom, and C is the charge on the compound. So let us calculate for ClF3, in which we have to find out hybridization of chlorine, which is central atom. So H will be equal to half into, now number of valence electrons in chlorine is 7, plus 3 fluorine atoms are attached to chlorine, and it is monovalent because it shows a valency of 1. So M is 3 minus 0 because it is neutral. So it will be equal to half into 7 plus 3 is 10. So half into 10 is equal to 5. Now 5 means the 5 orbitals of chlorine will get hybridized. So the hybridization will be sp3d. Right, so this will be the hybridization. So it means option A is wrong. Hybridization is not sp2. Now let us check the second. The number of lone pairs and bond pairs in I3 negative are 2 and 2 respectively. Now first of all we'll check out the hybridization in I3 negative. Now we can write I3 negative as I2 negative. Right. So in this central atom is iodine and two iodine are attached to it. So hybridization will be half into, now valence electrons of central atom, that is iodine, is 7, plus 2 more iodine are attached to it and it is monovalent, so M will be 2, minus, now the charge on this molecule is -1. So we'll put -1, right. So when we calculate this, it comes out to be half into 7 plus 2, 9, and here minus minus plus 1. So it will be equal to 10. So 10 by 2 will be equal to 5. And 5 means the hybridization will be sp3d. Now for sp3d hybridization, the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. So its shape will be iodine, iodine, and here also we get iodine, and here we will there will be 3 lone pairs, and we have a negative charge, so we can show it like this. Right, so as you can see here, we have two bonds. It means we have two bond pairs, and there are 3 lone pairs. Lone pairs, right? So this is trigonal bipyramidal geometry in which we have 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs. So it means second statement is also wrong. Then in C, it is given the shape of XCF6 is distorted square bipyramidal. Now let us check XCF6. So we have XEF6. Now in XEF6, hybridization will be equal to half into. Now here central atom is xenon having 8 valence electrons, plus 6 fluorine atoms are attached to it, which is monovalent. So M will be 6 and charge is 0. So we get here -0. So it will be equal to 8 plus 6 will be 14. 14 by 2, it is equal to 7. Now for 7, the hybridization will be sp3 d3, and for this hybridization the geometry should be pentagonal bipyramidal, right? This should be the geometry. Now if you look XCF6, here we have only 6 fluorine atoms which are bonding with xenon, right? So according to this geometry there should be 7 bonds, but there will be one lone pair. So the actual shape of this molecule XCF6 will look like this. We have Xe, then we have fluorine, and there will be a fluorine, and there will be one lone pair. So the actual shape will look like this. So it is basically distorted. It is distorted square bipyramidal. So its shape is distorted square bipyramidal. Bipyramidal. This is the shape of XCF6. And this shape is due to presence of one lone pair. So here the statement C is correct. The shape of XCF6 is distorted square bipyramidal. Option C is correct. Then in option D, hybridization of sulfur is sp3 in SO2. Now let us check in SO2. In SO2, the hybridization will be equal to half into. Now here central atom is sulfur and it has total 6 valence electrons plus M. Now here M will be 0 because here oxygen is not monovalent, it is divalent, and also charge is 0. So it will be equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. And 3 means 3 hybrid orbitals will be there. So the hybridization will be sp2. So the hybridization of sulfur in SO2 is sp2, not sp3. So this is also wrong. So here correct option is option C. The shape of XCF6 is distorted square bipyramidal. So option C is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.